Hey guys, it's Love, Peace, and Happiness, the hair guru. It's been a minute. I am talking today about Demi permanent hair color. This is a hair color that's no ammonia. It lasts about 24 shampoos. It doesn't lighten. It just adds enhancement to your own existing hair color. So this cheapie I picked up at Sally's Beauty Supply. Don't know if they still have it, but all the info will be in the description box below. This will last about 24 shampoos or so. And color that I had chose is a chocolate light brown, which is a level 5. And I have a hair topper that I was using that got a little bit light, so I'll be showing you what I did. Use 10 volume. 10 volume is no lift, making that more of like a non-permanent hair color. Always use a plastic bowl. I used a brush. The mixing ratio for this is 1 part color to 2 parts developer. That's what I used. And so I applied the hair color first and measured, of course. I'm just using it this way for demonstration purposes only. I mixed these two together and started mixing well the combination of the two, and you should use this solution right away. Don't delay. And I left this on the hair once I started applying for 25 minutes. And I believe that was the max I could leave it on. I did a reverse, basically a balayage. I just painted on sections, not the whole entire thing. Since it is a topper that I attached to a styrofoam head, I put a plastic bag on the styrofoam head and then secured it with some T-pins so that it did not move around while I was coloring it. All right, guys, so here is the final results of what the color looks like after it is washed and conditioned and dried. And I applied it kind of like a reverse balayage, so you'll see it a little bit darker up towards the bottom because the roots were already fairly dark. And it pulled a little bit of gold. I knew it was going to because it's a golden brown. And that's fine. It will wash out. It's a Demi permanent, which is the beauty of it. And here are the finished looks of what the color actually looks like as far as the dimensions and the enhancement that it did on my own hair. Well, I should say my topper. I do have hair, by the way. I just like to have fun with these toppers and not damage my own anymore. So I just do that. And thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to click like and subscribe and become part of the family and click that bell notification. Thank you so much.